You know, Matthew Yunus, who some of you know as one of the world's greatest entrepreneurs and Nobel Peace Prize winner in 2006, he talked about all these social enterprise folks, and he said, well, you know, people like him, and maybe some of you are like that, he says are, quote, 70% crazy, unquote. He said, because often people will come to you and say, well, that's not a very smart idea, that's not going to work, don't try to do that, that's kind of loony, either you're loony or something like that. Well, folks, if you feel like you've got a loony or crazy idea, look around you, you've got great company here in this room. Let's give everybody an applause, because this is how we get started. Making those kind of changes, making that possibility that someone says, that's not going to work. Somebody has to step forward and create problems which somebody said, you can't solve those problems. They're insoluble. Forget about it. That's what started Social Enterprise. That's what we're about. That's why we're so pleased to have this chapter here that will be a center for not only learning, but a forum for understanding, for networking, for growing, to helping you nurture your ideas, to put you together with folks who have similar ideas, to really advance social enterprise in Massachusetts. And I'm also very proud to be, not only with the council, but so many of our members are beginning and starting to put together nonprofit efforts. And I'm so glad to hear Dutch talk about that blended model. That it's not just market-based transactions that we're really talking about. Blending that with some of the social missions that we're a part. That's what we think is going to work and make sense. We know that right now, we cannot rely or depend on 100% government funding